Hello everyone, welcome back. Winter has come knocking, bringing with it the freshest seasonal vegetables. This is the perfect time to enjoy vibrant methi leaves, fresh peas, and many more leafy greens. For today, let us create an easy recipe using methi and fresh peas. In this final episode of our one pot rice recipe series, we'll make Methi Matar Pulao using fresh methi leaves and matar. Pluck the methi leaves, wash them, chop them, and set them aside. Shell the peas and set them aside. Before we dive into the recipe, if you are new to this channel, hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Now we will need to wash and soak rice. So here I have taken 1 cup of rice. I have washed it a couple of times and then soak it for 30 minutes. Next, heat 1 teaspoon ghee and 1 teaspoon of oil in a pressure cooker. Add cumin seeds, bay leaf, cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, and black pepper. Saute for a few seconds until they turn aromatic. Next, add chopped onion and chopped green chillies. Saute till the onion turns soft and changes its color. Stir in a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and saute until it loses its raw smell. Now add 2 cups of chopped methi leaves and saute briefly. Add the shelled peas and mix it. Next, add a teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala, and salt as per taste. Give it a quick mix. Now add in the soaked rice and mix well. Top it up with chopped coriander leaves and give it a quick mix. Finally, add 1.5 cups of water. Close the pressure cooker and cook for 3 whistles. Open the pressure cooker when the pressure releases naturally. Fluff up the rice. Serve it hot with some raita and pickle. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. If you try this recipe, comment below to let me know how it turned out for you and what other recipes you would like to see next. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious, easy to make dishes. Thank you for watching.